in the zone, moving like a rolling stone. One thing I know is you will get it home tonight.
Hi, I'm Pina from Fashion Justice, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time stopping by, then welcome. I'm a fashion and beauty blogger, and I do this because I want to inspire you to be the absolute best version of you possible. So with that said, let's get to this week's video, which is all about my survival tips, which is really easy. There are two things I do, and I live in Toronto, Canada. It is bitter cold. And the cold weather, we all know, wreaks havoc on our bodies, and I would not be able to survive this weather. I'm not a winter person. I don't do any outdoor sports, and my big sport is wearing my favorite fur coats, of which I have full fur collection in almost every color. And other than that, there's something that I do that makes me get through the winter. So wherever you are, I hope that you have some tricks, and if you do, please share them with me. But this is what I do, so let's get to it. So the one thing you need to do in order to survive any Canadian winter or any cold weather anywhere, and yes, this is my champagne flavored lip balm, this is my product, and not to toot my own horn, but you absolutely need to make sure that your lips are hydrated, because every single person that I speak to these days complains about dry lips. And so the other thing is you want to make sure that you have a lip balm that is more like an ointment. Stay away from lip balms that have menthol, eucalyptus, or lip balms like Carmex. Those lip balms only get you addicted to them because of the ingredients that are in there. So just make sure you get the right type of lip balm, and then you're set to go. So make sure you have something that is like an ointment based. So you can purchase mine. Just check out my Instagram account, Glam by Pina, or on Etsy, just do a search for Glam by Pina and you can purchase it there. But yeah, get an ointment and you are going to be a very happy girl this winter. Or guy, because men buy this too, believe it or not. And it tastes so fabulous. And when you kiss your partner, you're going to be like champagne, high heaven everywhere. And my second tip for surviving a Canadian winter, or winter anywhere in the world, wherever you are, is making sure that my skin is moisturized and that it has a bit of a glow. Because two things I cannot stand are dry skin, and for me, if I have like pasty white skin, I can't stand it. I go to the gym and I see my legs all white. For me, it just doesn't work, and it makes me feel so much better if my skin is not only moisturized but has a nice glow. And the way that I do that is I've been using this product called Glow Oil by the Chemistry brand. It's a dry oil, which is so fantastic, and what it does is it gives you a very natural glow as opposed to giving you that really orangey kind of fake looking glow. And so what you do, it's a dry oil, it's got gold prisms in it, and you can use it as often as you want, so once or twice a day. And after 2 or 3 applications, you will start to see that you will develop a really nice glow. The only thing is, they say it smells like watermelon or maybe raspberry. It's got a bit of a weird smell to it, but if you can get past that, it actually is quite an amazing product. It also moisturizes your skin, and it does not blotch your skin. So a lot of the times when you use those self-tanners, your skin gets quite blotchy, but this gives you a very even glow. So you shake it, and then this is what it looks like. And then you just rub it, and you just put it all over your body. And I typically do it before I go to bed. Don't forget that your skin is the largest organ on your body. So it's really important that you take care of it, specifically in the winter months. So make sure it's hydrated, drink a lot of water, which is also essential. But of course, it's important to take care of it on the inside as well as the outside. I'll see you here next week with more tips and tricks on how to ensure that we can help you be your best, most fabulous self every single day.